students, I Neela ma'am here. Today I am going to teach you here chapter number which one? Here chapter number 11. Okay? Chapter number 11. That is profit and loss. Profit and loss. Today my topic is cost price, selling price, profit, loss, profit percentage and loss in percentage. How to calculate. So first of all, I would like to tell you about cost price. What is cost price? Cost price is the price at which an item is purchased. Okay, when you purchase a pen from the market, suppose it cost you how much? Any cost, it cost you rupees 50. So rupees 50 is the cost price of the pen, okay, which you have purchased from the market. Means a price at which an item is purchased, that is called cost price of that item. Then comes selling price. The selling price of an item is the price at which an item is sold. An item is sold. Okay. Suppose you purchase a computer and after using that you sell it. Suppose you sell it and that price will be called the selling price. The price which selling price is the price which is gained from the selling of an object, after selling an object, okay, or an item. The price at which an item is sold. In short, we can say an item at which, and the price of an item at which that is sold is called the selling price. So, selling price, clear to you, I think? Cost price, the price at which an item is purchased, and selling price is the price at which an item is sold. So, then comes profit. When the cost price is here, when the cost price is less than the selling price, or you can say when the selling price of an item is more than its cost price, then profit is there. When selling price is more than cost price, then profit is there. Then there is profit. Then there is profit. When selling price is less than the cost price, when the cost price is more and selling price is less, then in that situation there will be loss. There will be loss. When CP is greater than selling price, then there will be loss. So we can say profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price, and loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Okay. Some of the problems in your here. Review exercise how to calculate loss or profit. First of all, you should be able to find out loss and profit. First of all, you will look at the here. Suppose this is the cost price. Cost price is rupees 27 and selling price is rupees 51. So, selling price is more than cost price. So, what will be there? If selling price is more than the cost price, then which type of situation will be there? There will be profit. There will be profit. Okay. Cost price is 27, selling price is 51. कोई चीज को 27 रुपीज में खरीदा गया है और 51 रुपीज में बेच दिया गया है, सेल कर दिया गया है, तो इस सिचुएशन में क्या होगा? प्रॉफिट. फायदा हुआ ना, प्रॉफिट हुआ. सो प्रॉफिट विल बी इज इक्वल टू सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस. So selling price is rupees 51, cost price is rupees 27. So subtract. So there is profit of rupees 24. Profit of rupees 24. When cost price and selling price. Here cost price is rupees 13,450 and selling price is rupees 13,450. See, selling price is equal to here is selling price is equal to cost price or cost price is equal to selling price, and in that situation there is no profit, no loss. No profit, no loss. Okay. So we can take one more example of finding loss or profit. Here cost price is rupees 17,516 and selling price is 31,427. So here selling price is greater than cost price, so there will be profit. There will be profit. Profit will be selling price minus cost price. Selling price is greater than cost price. Subtract and get how much profit is there. Okay, subtract. Keep your notebook ready with you, pen, notebook with you. Whenever you are watching this video, math video, you should be ready with your notebook, book and pen. Okay. Then comes how to calculate profit in percentage. Now you have learned how to calculate profit and loss here. Then profit percentage is calculated with this formula. Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100%. Into 100%. Cost price is always taken as denominator. Okay. Profit percentage is equal to, first of all you will find the profit or loss whatsoever is it, but we are dealing with here profit percentage. Okay. According to the word problem, you will first find how much profit is here, and after getting profit, then you will apply this formula to calculate profit percentage. Profit divided by cost price into 100%. Okay. Similarly, loss in percentage, loss divided by, always CP is taken as denominator here. CP is taken as denominator into 100%. Okay. You will apply these formulas and solve the problem. For this cost price, selling price and this profit and loss, you will have to complete review exercise. Very simple. And after that 11.1 will be started. Okay. 11.1. The questions are based on here profit percentage and loss percentage. Okay. So if questions are with you like this, please open your book at page number 181 and exercise is 11.1. Exercise 11.1. Okay. First question is find the profit or loss percentage. Okay. You are given selling price, cost price, and here you are given selling price. This is exercise 11.1. Question number 1, A part. selling price is rupees 90, cost price is rupees 60. Okay, so first of all, but here when you look at this problem, selling price 90, first you will compare which is greater, selling price or cost price. Here selling price is rupees 90 and cost price is rupees 60. So what will be their loss or profit? Think, if selling price is more than cost price, then there will be, yes, profit. You are right, profit. There will be profit. Here selling price is greater than here, so there will be profit. There will be profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. That is rupees 90 minus rupees 60. It is, profit is rupees 30. So profit percentage will be here, this formula, you will apply this formula. Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100%. You will write here formula, then you will substitute the values. Like profit is here 30, cost price is how much? Rupees 60. CP will be taken always as denominator. Okay, cost price, then 100%. Okay, now simplify. 1 0 with 1 0, 3 2 ja 6 and 2 50. So there is 50% profit. How much? 50% profit. क्योंकि उसने 60 रुपीज की तो खरीदी है ना, कोई चीज को 60 रुपीज में खरीदा गया है, 60 रुपीज में खरीद कर उसको फायदा कितना हो रहा है? 30% फायदा हो रहा है। ये सॉरी रुपीज 30, कितना फायदा हो रहा है उसको? रुपीज 30। तो 60 की खरीद कर उसको 30 रुपीज का जो प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, मीन्स उसको कितना परसेंटेज में प्रॉफिट हो रहा है? 50%. हाउ मच प्रॉफिट ही इज गेनिंग? 50%. Okay, the profit here, cost price was 60 and profit was 30. Half of the cost price means there is 50% profit. We have got the profit in percentage. Okay, then here next part, some language problems are there. You will do first question all parts. Aman buys an old bicycle for rupees 3,800 if he sells the bicycle for rupees 4,400. Determine the profit or loss percentage. First of all, you will think ki selling price, you will compare selling price and cost price. Accordingly, you will think ki is there profit or loss. Okay, whatsoever situation is there, you will apply the proper formula for profit percentage and loss percentage. Okay, you can complete here question 1 to 4. 1 to 4. This is your work. Review exercise and exercise 11.1. Question number 1 to 4. And review exercise is very simple. You can do that very easily. Just subtraction is there. Okay, to get how to get loss and profit. Okay, please do your work regularly. Don't keep your work, maths work pending. Okay, when you will learn along with the videos, and you naturally you will get benefit. You will get benefit if you are regular in your practice, maths practice. And please solve the sums yourself, try yourself. Okay, then your work should be complete in the notebooks. Okay, so stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself and keep proper distance from each other and be protected always from COVID-19. Thank you. Have a nice day.